Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Maths class. So already we have learned about the skip counting, right? We have learned skip counting of 2s, skip counting of 3s. And today we are going to learn skip counting of 5s and 10s. Okay, so before that we will revise whatever we have learned. So skip counting, spelling for skip counting children. Can you spell it? S-K-I-P, skip counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G, skip counting. What is the meaning of skip counting? Skip counting means when you count numbers by skipping some numbers at regular intervals. Okay, skip counting means what? You are going to skip some numbers at the regular interval. Same numbers you will be skipping. That is called as a regular interval. Okay, so we have already learned the 2s and 3s. That is skip counting of 2s and 3s. We will revise that once, children. We will revise skip counting of 2s. Okay, so with the help of this number strip line, draw the straight line. Draw one straight line with the help of scale, children. Okay, starting from 0. Start from 0 and leave the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have 20 numbers. We are going to do the skip counting of 2s. Skip counting of 2s means what? We have to count 2 numbers and we have to jump. Okay, so from 0 count 2 number 1, 2. Okay, from 0 you have to jump to 2. Okay, next step. After 2 it is 3, 4. You have to count 2 numbers. 3, 4. Then you have to jump to number 4. Okay, then you have to jump to number 6. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 8. Next is 1, 2, 10. The next is 11, 12. Okay, so the next is 1, 2, that is 14, or you can say 15, 16. So 2 numbers you have to count. Okay, so 2 numbers you have to count, that is 15, 16. The next one is 17, 18. So 18 to 18 you have to jump. The next one is 19, 20. Okay, so you have to jump to 20. Next, can you tell, we will write the number. So 21, 22. So the next is 22. Okay, the next number is 23, 24. So the next number is 24. So the next number, what will be? 25, 26. So you have to skip 2 numbers and you have to write the number. Okay, 26. Next is 27, 28. So write 28. Okay, 29, 30. So write here 30. Okay, so the next is 31, 32. Write here 32. 33, 34. So the next number will be what? 34. So the next is 35, 36. So skip counting of 2 means what? You have to skip 1 number or you have to count 2 numbers. Okay, you have to skip 1 number or you can count 2 numbers. Okay, you can count 2 numbers and you have to write the number. So after 36, next is what? 37, 38. So write here 38. The next is 39, 40. So write here 40. Okay, yes. So when it is given, you should write. Skip counting of 2s means what you should do? You have to count 2 numbers and you have to write the number. Okay, next we will go for skip counting of 3s. So the next is skip counting of threes. Same way with the numbers we will use, children. Draw the straight line and write the numbers from 0. Start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So skip counting of threes means you have to count 3 numbers. Okay, you have to count 3 numbers. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So from 0 you have to skip to 3. Next is 1, 2, 3. That is 4, 5, 6. You have to jump to 6. Okay, the next is 1, 2, 3. You have to count 3 numbers and you have to jump. Okay, so to the third number you have to jump. Okay, so next is 1, 2, 3. So jump to 12. Okay, so the next is 1, 2, 3. So next you have to jump to 15. So the next is 1, 2, 3. So the next jump will be to 18. Okay, so the next is 19, 20, 21. So the next jump will be to 21. After 21 you can show your 3 fingers, 22, 23, 24. Right here 24. Okay, so the next one 25, 26, 27. Right here 27. 28, 29, 30. So the right 30. The next is 31, 32, 33. So right here 33. So next 34, 35, 36. So right here 36. The next is 37, 38, 39. So the next number will be 39, 40, 41, 42. So here is 42, 43, 44, 45. So here it is 45. So the next number will be what? Next you have to count 3 numbers. So whatever the number is given, for skip counting of 3s you have to count 3 numbers. That is 46, 47, 48. So 48, 49, 50, 51. So right here 51. Next is 52, 53, 54. So right here 54. Next is 55, 56, 57. Right here 57. 58, 59, 60. So write 60. Okay, 61, 62, 63. So write here 63. 64, 65, 66. So write 66. Okay, so this how you have to write. So the next one is skip counting of 5s. Okay, so the method what we are going to follow is what? Counting 2 numbers. Okay, so if it is 3, then we are counting 3 numbers. So if it is 5, so then we have to count 5 numbers. Start from 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 0 to 5. Okay, so the next is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 10. Okay, so the next from 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 10 to 15. Okay, we have to jump from 10 to 15. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 15 to 20. Okay, from 15 to 20. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 20 to 25. Okay, from 20 to 25. So the next number, what will be the next number? So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So right here 30. Okay, so next is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So the next will be 35. So the next number, what is the next number after 35? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So right here 40. Okay, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So write here 45. Okay, after 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So write here 50. So the next is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So write here 55. Okay, so 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So write here 60. So after 60, 62, 63, 64, 65. So write here 65. Okay, so skip counting of 5 means you have to count 5 numbers and you have to write the 5th number you have to write. Just don't write the next number. You have to count 5 numbers and you have to write the 5th number. So after 65, what is the number? 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 70 you should write. Okay, understood children? So skip counting of 5 means what you should do? You should count 5 and you should write the number. You should leave that count 5 number and you should write the 5th number. Okay, yes, understood. Now we'll go for the skip counting of tens. Okay, so the next skip counting is skip counting of tens. Okay, so now what we should do? We should count 10 numbers and we have to jump. Okay, so start from 0. Start from 0, count 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 0 to 10, you should jump. Okay, from 0 to 10. Next is from 11. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 10 to 20. Okay, so from 10 to 20. Next, what will be the number? Next number, if it is a skip counting of tens, what will be the next number? After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the next number will be 30. After 30, you have to count 10 numbers. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So the next is 40. So the next will be 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So write here 50. So the next will be 60. So the next is 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. Yes, understood. Skip counting of tens means you have to count 10 numbers. Okay. Yes. Okay, so now we will do the mains related to the skip counting, children. The first main is count in twos. Count in twos means what we have to do? From that number, we have to count 2 numbers and we have to write the number. Okay, so the skip counting in twos. So 14 is given. So show 2 fingers because it is count in twos. Okay, so show 2 fingers and count 2 numbers. That is 14, 15, 16. So write the number here 16. Okay, so show 2 fingers. After 16, 17, 18. So you should write 18. Okay, so next is 19, 20. So write here 20. Okay, 21, 22. So write here 22. The next is 23, 24. So write here 24. Okay, so here it is given 26. Here it is given what? 26. So now we have to count 2 numbers after 26. 27, 28. So write here 28. Okay, 29 after 28, 29, 30. So write here 30. Okay, so the next is 31, 32. So write here 32. Next is 33, 34. 34. Next is 35, 36. So write here 36. It is next one. Next main, second main is count in threes. So now you show 3 fingers. So now we will count 3. Next is 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Okay, next is 7, 8, 9. So write here 9. 10, 11, 12. Write here 12. So after 12, 13, 14, 15. Write here 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So write here 18. Okay. So here also it is skip counting in of 3's. So here the number given here is 21. So after 21, 22, 23, 24. So write here 24. 25, 26, 27. 27. 28, 29, 30. Write here 30. 31, 32, 33. Write here 33. 34, 35, 36. 36. Okay. Same way you have to do. Okay. Now we'll see skip counting of 5s and 10s. One is count in 5s. So you have to count 5 numbers. So here the number given here, what is the first number given here? 15. So after 15, show 5 fingers because it is count in 5. So you have to show 5 fingers, that is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So write here 20. Next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So write here 25. So the next is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So write here 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So write 35. Next is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So write here 40. So the next is what it is given? 35. So after 35 it is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 40. So the next is 41. After 40 it is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It is 45. The next one is 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So write here 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So write here 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Write here 60. Okay, now next is count in tens, means what you should do? You should count 10 numbers. Okay, so here it is given 10. So the next is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So write here 20. Next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the next number is 30. Next is 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So the next will be 40. Okay. So the next is after 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So write here 50. So the next will be what? 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So write here 60. Okay. So the same way 30. After 30 you have to count 10 numbers. What number will you get? 40. Yes. After 40 it is 50. After 50 it is 60. After 60 it is 70. After 70 it is 80. Okay. Understood, children? So these two means page number 95, page number 95, B and C, you should do it as homework. Okay, same way, count in 5s and shade in blue. So take your blue crayon and you have to count 5 numbers. Already they have given 5, 10, 15, they have already colored. So next from 16 you have to count 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you have to color 20. Okay. So the next is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So next you have to color 25. Same way you complete this main B and C. That is for your homework. Okay. B and C, that you have to do it for your homework. Okay. Okay, children. Take care. Bye.